Hey Highland Ranch, it's me, Mr. Aaron. I'm back again to show you guys a real quick, fun project for you to do. Today, we're going to be making a brownie in a mug. Super easy, super simple. A quick list of ingredients you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and then we need 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, and then a pinch of salt that I've prepped in here. Lastly, we need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of water, and then just a couple drops of vanilla, and I have that prepared right in here. It's really simple. It's really easy. All you got to do is take the whole list of ingredients and then dump it in. I like to do the dry stuff first. It makes it easier to mix up. So take all your powdered stuff, toss it in there. Give it a quick little stir to get it going. Oh, important, make sure it's in a microwave-safe mug. That's super important. And then mix all your wet ingredients together. Ooh. And it should start coming looking together like, almost like cake mix. So stir it up until it gets a nice consistency. Ooh, that's pretty good. Once you got that going, throw it into the microwave for about 60 seconds on high. And that should do it. All right. I think that's about good and ready to go. Let's see how it turns out. Oh. All right, let's go. 60 seconds on the clock. Oh. I'm excited. Hungry. I hope this works out well. I haven't tried it yet. But all the reviews say it's good. So we'll see. That smells good. It smells like cake. Awesome. Let's see how it is. Ooh, a lot of steam. Oh, we got ourselves a little brownie in a mug, and it's really hot. But it smells really good, so I'm gonna have to give this a try. I can't wait to dig into it, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. All right, stay safe, Highland Ranch. See you later.